Hi all and welcome back to Fat Boys Junction. Today I'm going to show you a new acquisition I've taken hold of today, delivered to me fresh from DPD. Rails of Sheffield were the kind people to send it to me, and it's a 101 DMU unit, 2-car set with sound, and I just thought I'd just show you some of the things that it can do. I don't do unboxings or anything like that, but yeah, let's have a look at it. Okay, here it is then, the 101 DMU 2-car set. It seems very nice, very well laid out, good paintwork, and I can't see any errors like glue marks or anything like that. I had this on pre-order, and it's taken about 2 months for it to eventually arrive. And very nice it is too. As I said, I don't do unboxings or anything like that, so here it is. It's the 32/287 BSF, i.e. sound version. Comes in this double box here, and it's got 2 boxes inside for each unit. Like all models, it comes with the usual paperwork and extras. This has got some extra seats, the old chip, because I've got the sound version, and that bar there is actually got contacts in it to join the two together for things like the lights, and also I would imagine the bogies have got pickups in the other car. One is extremely light, just like a normal carriage, and the other has the heavy part because it's got the engine and all the workings in it. Never had one of these before. I assume that is quite normal in these particular cases. The main object of this little video is to show you the sounds that this unit is capable of making, and I think they're very impressive indeed. I found the paperwork in this unit quite comprehensive, and it gives you a good breakdown of how to get inside and deal with various problems you may or may not have, and it shows you how to put the extra pipes on and how you would replace certain parts, and yeah, I found them very comprehensive in this particular case. In this sheet, which is the other side of what you've just seen, it gives you more details on how you could fit a DCC decoder. Shows you how to turn the cab lights and indeed the interior lights on and off, and it also shows you how to fit the various pipes and NEM couplings to the front. Very comprehensive. It's got very nice detail inside. I think it's impressive anyway, and I'm looking forward to putting some pastures in there. I've had the unit going round in the dark, and the interior lights are very good, very subtle in fact. I'm quite impressed with those. But one thing I am disappointed with is the lights at the back and the front. They're quite dim, and unfortunately the destination blind isn't lit up.
Is this train going to Shrewsbury?
No, that train leaves from the far end of platform 1.
Okay.
This service terminates here. All change, please. All change. Mind the step as you get off.
Thank you very much for joining me for this very basic look at the 101. I hope you've enjoyed it. Sorry I haven't got all the singing and dancing cameras, but hopefully you got something out of it. Cheers and see you next time.